Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and this lecture I am going to teach you type menu in Adobe Photoshop. So what basically type menu is, let's see. So what I do first I will come in the toolbox of Adobe Photoshop, and what I do, I will just simply click on T, and if I click, definitely it will show me all the definite text tool. For example, if I take the help of horizontal type tool, and if I click, definitely it will give me this cursor, mean blink cursor, means I'm ready to type anything. For example, if I type Naveed, so you can see that right now I have Naveed getting me. And if I just simply click, and definitely if I select this, so definitely now my text is selected. Now what I do, I will go in type menu. So definitely I have the option. The first option is panels. So what basically panels means, if I just simply click or if I hover on panels, so it will show me all the panels. For example, if I want to see all the panels of text, so what I do, I will come in type menu, and definitely it will show me all the panels of text. For example, if I want character panel, if I click on it, so it will show me character panel. In character panel I have the option. For example, if I want to change the font style, if I want to change the font size, I can also do. If I want to change the color of this, I can also do. Get it? So definitely this panel is basically for character, means if I want to change the size and I can also do. If I go in type menu, so definitely in panels, definitely we also have the option paragraph panel. For example, if I want to work with paragraph, I can also do. Getting me? So these panels are basically for text. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have anti-alias. So what basically anti-alias means? For example, if I want to change the age of my text, so if I zoom in and if I do Control Z, okay. So definitely I will take another text. So if I type Naveed, okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. So if I select this, and if I go in type menu, and if I say anti-alias, so definitely here we have sharp, means that the edges will be sharp. For example, if I say crisp, so definitely it will give me crisp. So if I go again, so here we also have this getting me. So basically this option anti-alias is basically for example for the edges of my text. For example, if I want smooth edges, I can getting me. So definitely this option you can also get here as well. For example, if you want sharp, if you want crisp, definitely you can also get here as well. Getting me? So definitely this is the work of anti-alias. Getting me? Then what do we have next? So we have orientation. What I mean, for example, as you see that right now I have text in definitely in this way. For example, if I go in type, if I take the help of orientation, so definitely I have my text in horizontal. For example, if I want my text vertical, so if I click on vertical, so if as you can see that right now definitely my text is coming like this. Getting me? So for example, if I want definitely horizontal, if I go in orientation, if I take the above horizontal, so definitely it will show me my text like this. Getting me? Definitely then we have the option of definitely extrude. So what will extrude is, so if I click on extrude, so definitely it will change this environment to 3D environment. And extrude means it will give us this text in 3D. So if I say yes, so definitely now it is giving us 3D environment, and definitely we don't need anymore. So if I just simply click and drag, as you can see that right now we have that. Getting me? So it's because of extrude, because now our text is in 3D. Getting me? So now we have 3D text. Getting me? So if I want to get a 3D text, so what I do, I will go in definite type, and if I click on extrude to 3D, so it will make something like this. Getting me? Definitely I will close this, and I will go again, and I will definitely take a new definitely document. Getting me? So definitely if I, and if I go in, if I go again, if I take the help of text tool, and if I zoom in little bit, and if I type Naveed. Getting me? So if I type, and if I select this, okay. So if I go in type menu, so here we also have the option of convert create to create work path, means if I want keep work path. For example, as you can see that right now I have this getting me? But if I want, if let's say if I want my text in path, so how can I get? Definitely you can also get the text in path with the help of free transform or the free form or pen tool. For example, if I take the help of pen tool, if I just simply click over my text, so I can also getting me? But definitely it will be very long way. Getting me? So if I want the shortcut, so if I go in type tool, the type menu, so here we have the option create work path. What it will do, that it will create work path, means that it will do work for us. And if I take the help of direct select tool, definitely, or path select tool, so definitely if I just simply click and drag, as you can see that now I have different text in path, getting me. So what does it mean by this path? Means that if I zoom in too much, or if I zoom in too out, definitely nothing will affect this text, because this is now path, getting me. So if I want my text in path, so definitely I can also get with the help of definitely convert or definitely create work path, getting me. And if I want to convert my text into shape, I can also do. If I just simply click, as you can see that right now definitely now we have definite text in shape, getting me. Then we have the option of wrap text. What I mean, if I just simply click on it, and definitely if I take the help of the style, so I can also get the style. For example, if I want to get this band style, arc style, definitely this style or this style I can also get. If I want to change the band, definitely percentage, I can also do, getting me. So for example, if I say arc, and if I just change the band percentage, so definitely I can also do. For example, if I want to change the horizontal distortion, vertical distortion, I can also do, getting me. So definitely in the wrap text, definitely, or wrap text, you can definitely do something like this. Then we have the font preview. Definitely if I want to see my preview, so definitely here we have the option. For example, if I want to see my preview, text preview in small, so I can also get. If I want to see my preview in medium, I can also get even. Then we have the option of language option. For example, if I'm using any, for example, if I'm using Hindi, if I'm using Arabic, if I'm using Urdu, or if I'm using any language, so I can also set up. Oh, they are getting me. So here we have option of language. Then we have the update all text layers. So definitely it will update. Definitely it will update if I just simply click on it. So it will update all text layers. If I say replace all missing fonts, it will replace all missing fonts. And definitely here we have option. The last, what do we have? We have load default type style. For example, if I want to remove or load default type style, before we learn this, first we should understand what basically mean by save default type style. For example, as you can see that right now I have this text, getting me. For example, if I want to save, this style, this text style default, so if I go in type menu, so here we have the option. If I just simply click on it, so definitely what it will do, that it will save definitely this text style is default style. And for example, if I'm using any text and if I want this same style, so I no need to, if I no need to give this text, or I no need to give definite color or anything here, getting me. So what I do, I will go in type menu, and if I click on load default type style, so that it will load default types, getting me. And if you don't know what basically definitely these two menus does, so definitely you no need to take tension about it. Okay, so definitely these tools or these options are useful, but not these definite options, getting me. So definitely this was a lecture on type menu in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.